ready to unlock a whole new level of customizable lighting magic. Today, we're diving into the world of Diverter LED strips. Diverter LEDs, unlike your standard LED strip, have a built-in IC chip. This chip allows each LED to be individually controlled, creating dynamic and intricate lighting effects. We're talking chasing patterns, color gradients, and more. First, let's talk connections. We'll typically find 3 wires: power, ground, and data. Consult your LED strip's datasheet for the correct pinout, as it can vary. Power and ground are straightforward. Connecting to your power supply, the data wire is what sends the control signals from your microcontroller. Voltage is crucial. Diverter LED strips commonly operate on 5 volts or 12 volts. Using the wrong voltage can damage your strip. Always double-check the voltage requirements printed on the strip and match it to your power supply. Using a multimeter to confirm voltage is always a good idea. Now, let's get creative. These strips are incredibly versatile. Imagine using them to add vibrant, under-cabinet lighting, create immersive gaming setup accents, elevate your home decor, or even customize your car's interior. The possibilities are truly endless. With a microcontroller and a little programming, you can create stunning dynamic effects. Experiment with different patterns, colors, and animations to bring your lighting visions to life. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a Diverter LED strip and start creating.